So yes, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and thank you so much for tuning in and stopping by and checking us out. Okay, this is the place to be, just in case you didn't know. Go ahead and hit that like button while you at it. Okay, and to all of my oldies but my favorites, thank you guys again for always coming back and showing your girl love. I love you guys so much. I appreciate it all. Okay, so yeah, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and let's get to chat and go down to the comment section and let's talk about it. Okay, all right, so today I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things that I like to do in my life that helps me, again, to stay afloat and to make sure that I am stress free when it comes to bills and other things in life that I want to do, or other things in life that I need to do. For those of you who don't know, yes, I am a new homeowner. Not I, but me and my family, we're new homeowners, and we had to find out new ways and new techniques to kind of help us get back on track from living in an apartment, because it was so much easier and it was less for us to worry about, less for us to deal with. Now that we are homeowners, we have to think about additional things and things in life that we want to do and things that we want to do to keep where we're at. Okay, so yes, one of the ideas that I would like to share with you guys regarding passive income and how you too can earn additional money. It'll help you to save, and it'll help you to balance out in other areas where you need additional help. Okay, are you a writer, or do you know how to write really well, or do you just like to vent by writing? Can you express yourself really well with a writing technique? If so, then consider doing blogging. Blogging is a very cool way to get your message across, and it is a very cool way to get others to understand certain things or certain aspects, and it's a good way for you to learn how to sell your services. Basically, if you don't have any topics, or if you're not sure exactly what you want to write about, however, you have the skills, a wonderful writing technique or a wonderful writing style. You can write in various ways, whether it's first person, third person. Yeah, consider writing blogs. Okay, you don't necessarily have to just write the blog for yourself. You can write blogs for other people. This is something that you can do in your spare time, and it's easy, it's simple, it's low cost. It doesn't cost you anything to start. All you need is the information, the details from the person, I'm sure. Or if you already have the information, all you need to do is just put it in text form. Just that simple. You can sell these blogs. You can add these blogs to other blogs. You can guest post or guest blog on other people's blogs, and you can even go onto Fiverr.com and set yourself up a little Fiverr account so that you can be one of the sellers on there that offers this service to others, so that they too can get some of the blogs that they're needing for their particular website. People need blogs for all types of reasons. I've used blog services, and I also blog myself a little. All you're doing is putting in text style or in writing format for individuals to read and comprehend on a different scale or a different level, because some people don't like visuals and some people don't like audio. Some people are readers, and that's exactly what they want to be able to do, is read and come back to it and save it or what have you. So yeah, if you can write good and that's your thing, definitely consider becoming a blogger. That is easy money. Again, no cost setup. It doesn't cost you anything. Easy, simple, easy money, basically. Okay, next, let's talk about my favorite, my all-time favorite, y'all. The one that I just love the most. This is the most lucrative. Well, it's not the most lucrative, but it is definitely one of the most lucrative ways of passive incomes that you can have on hand. Okay, and that is digital marketing and affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know, a digital marketing is basically anything that you can sell online without having to actually back it up, ship it out, and mail it to the customer. It's easy, it's simple, it's click this link here, make your purchase, and boom, it's sent to your email. It's a digital download, you know, like, come on, y'all, get with it. Okay, a digital download is easy. It's basically you selling your knowledge. Okay, and that's okay. It's nothing wrong with you selling your knowledge. People need this information, people need these tools, people need these resources. So if you have anything that you can teach or that you do really well, sell it online, whether it's on your own website, whether it's through Facebook ads, whether it's through Instagram ads, or even if it's on an app where you can teach lessons or teach courses like Teachable or whatnot. There's plenty of ways for you to sell your digital products, okay? And digital is the way to go, because you can't beat it. You don't have to have anything other than Microsoft Word, and I'm pretty sure everybody's computer has Microsoft Word. You could even use a cool app on your phone that will allow you to put it into a PDF or allow you to put it into a cool little flyer so that you can dispense it out or send it out whenever you make a sale. It's just that easy. That's all it is to digital marketing. And again, that is why it's one of my favorites, y'all. You can't beat it. And like I was saying, also affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically where you have a link that is given to you with a unique ID that is only for you and your usage. It's given to you to share with the world, or to share with like an audience that you may have. Like, let's just say, for example, you're really popular on Facebook, or you're really popular on Instagram, wherever your platform is that you're really popular. This is where companies reach out to you and they basically want you to showcase their product. They send you items that you can, of course, do reviews on. You can just take a cute little picture with the item, and they give you like a discount code or a link that you can use to place within your greeting or within your description, wherever the case may be. You put that link out so that people can click on it, or so that they too can find out exactly where they can find this particular product. Every time that they make a purchase, you get paid a portion, or you get paid off of them clicking the link and making a purchase, whether it's 5%, 10%. Some companies even allow as much as 20%. That's, again, easy money. No product for you to have on hand, no shipping, no details. If there's any issues or any problems, they will contact customer support within that company, not you. And even that's a plus. Think about it. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about dealing with any hassling or any problems or issues that may or may not arise. Easy money. Yes, easy money, you guys. Easy. Thank you guys so much again, and I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I cannot wait to see you guys back soon. And I love you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye bye.